What do you know about electron transport chain? Now, list out the electron carriers: NAD+, FAD+, COQ, the cytochromes. The glucose molecule is completely oxidized by the end of citric acid cycle, but energy is not released unless NADH2 and FADH2 are oxidized through electron transport system. The transfer of electrons and protons from NADH2 and FADH2 to oxygen through a series of components like flavoprotein, cytochrome is called electron transport chain. This process leads to the coupling of electrons to form high energy phosphate bonds in the form of ATP from ADP is called oxidative phosphorylation. The electron transports are arranged in the inner membrane of mitochondria. The electron carriers are divided into complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, and complex 4. When NAD+ is a primary acceptor of electrons, the electrons are transported from complex 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then to complex 4. When electrons are transported from one complex to the next complex, an ATP is produced. Thus, one molecule of NADH2 generates 3 ATPs. When FAD+ is a primary acceptor of electrons, the electrons are transported from complex 2 to complex 3 and then to complex 4. Thus, one molecule of FADH2 generates 2 ATPs. The molecular oxygen forms the terminal constituent of the electron transport system. It is the ultimate recipient of electrons and picks up the protons from the substrate to form water. What do you know about the energy yield? Complex oxidation of one glucose molecule yields a net gain of 38 ATP. Out of 38 ATP molecules, 4 ATP are obtained by direct substrate level phosphorylation, 30 ATP through oxidation of NADH2, and 4 ATP through oxidation of FADH2. Since a large number of ATP molecules are produced in the mitochondria, they are called the powerhouses of the cell. Observe the table which shows the details of ATP production in aerobic respiration. The stages of respiration are glycolysis, and the total number of ATP obtained is 8. By the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid, the total number of ATP obtained is 6. During Krebs cycle, the total number of ATP obtained is 24. So the total number of ATP obtained will be 38.